Financial freedom is a dream for many. It's a vision of a life where money is not a constant worry. It's about more than just money. It's about peace of mind and the freedom to enjoy life's precious moments. It's about living life on your own terms, without the constraints of financial stress. Imagine this, waking up without the dread of debt, starting your day with a sense of relief and optimism. Picture pursuing your passions without financial constraints. That's financial freedom. It's the ability to follow your dreams. It's about having the financial security to make choices that align with your values and aspirations. Financial freedom empowers you to control your destiny. It gives you the power to shape your future. No more living paycheck to paycheck. It's about breaking free from the cycle of financial stress. It's about building a life where money works for you, not the other way around. It's about smart financial planning. True prosperity comes from achieving this balance. It's a harmony between financial stability and personal fulfillment. You are in the driver's seat of your financial future. You have the control to steer your life in the direction you choose. This isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about making consistent, wise decisions. It's about creating a life of financial stability and abundance. A life where you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. It's about having the resources to support yourself and your loved ones, ensuring a secure future for your family. Financial freedom is within your grasp. It's achievable with the right mindset and actions. Are you ready to take control? The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Why 2025? Because the time to start is now. The future is closer than you think. Don't let another year slip away. 2025 is your financial finish line. It's a year to aim for, a year to achieve your goals. The clock is ticking, but don't panic. We have a plan. Over the next few sections, we'll explore the steps to get you there. We'll cover budgeting, investing, and more. Get ready to transform your financial life. This journey requires commitment and effort. There's no magic pill for financial freedom, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine the freedom to pursue your dreams in 2025. Think about the security and peace of mind you'll have. This essay is your guide, your roadmap to financial freedom. We'll break down the process into manageable steps. From budgeting basics to investment strategies, we'll cover it all. Get ready to learn and take action. First, we'll focus on setting clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve by 2025? Next, we'll create a budget that works for you. No more feeling lost or overwhelmed. Then, we'll dive into the exciting world of investing. We'll unlock the secrets of passive income and risk management. You'll learn how to make your money work harder. Don't worry if you're a beginner. This guide is for everyone. Get ready to take control of your finances and create the future you deserve. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Financial freedom is no different. You might be thinking, 2025 is years away. But time flies, my friend. The sooner you start, the better off you'll be. Don't hit the snooze button on your financial future. Imagine this. You start investing a small amount today. Over time, that money grows. It compounds, gaining interest on interest. Now imagine waiting another year, or 2, or 5. You miss out on all that potential growth. Every day counts. Every dollar invested brings you closer to your goal. Don't let procrastination be your biggest financial regret. Start small if you have to, but start today. Take control of your money. Your future self will thank you. Section 2. Setting your sights. The importance of financial goals. Before you embark on any journey, you need a destination. Financial freedom is your destination. But what does it look like for you? A house on the beach? Early retirement? Get specific. Write down your financial goals. Make them tangible, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Want to be debt-free? By when? Want to save for a down payment? How much? Having clear goals gives you direction. Think of your goals as your financial compass. They will guide your decisions and keep you motivated. Review them regularly. Adjust them if needed. Remember, this is your journey, your goals, your way. Section 3. Mastering your money. Budgeting for success. Now that you have your goals, it's time to create a roadmap. This is where budgeting comes in. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Budgeting is simply a plan for your money. It helps you track your income and expenses. Start by listing all your sources of income. Then, track your spending for a month. Be honest with yourself. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. You'll be surprised what you discover. Once you have a handle on your cash flow, you can start making adjustments. Identify areas where you can cut back. Can you reduce your entertainment spending? Negotiate lower bills? Small changes can make a big difference. Section 1. Investing your way to freedom. Building wealth for 2025. Saving is important, but to really grow your wealth, you need to invest. Think of it like planting a seed. You nurture it, and over time, it blossoms into a beautiful tree. Investing is your key to financial freedom. Investing is about putting your money to work. It's about making your money make more money. There are many different ways to invest. We'll explore some popular options in this section. Remember, investing involves risk, but with the right knowledge and strategy, you can minimize those risks and maximize your returns. Don't let fear hold you back. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your wealth grow. Section 2. Navigating the investment landscape. Stocks, bonds, and beyond. Let's talk about stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of a company. It's like becoming a part owner. Stocks have the potential for high returns, but they also come with higher risk. Then there are bonds. Bonds are like loans you give to governments or companies. They offer more stability than stocks, but typically have lower returns. A balanced portfolio often includes both stocks and bonds. But wait, there's more. Real estate is another popular investment. Think rental properties or land ownership. It can provide steady income and long-term appreciation. Consider diversifying your portfolio with real estate. Section 3. Riding the digital wave. Exploring new age investment opportunities. The world of investing is constantly evolving. In this digital age, we have exciting new options like cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, these are the buzzwords. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital currencies. They operate on blockchain technology. While they offer potential for high growth, they are highly volatile. Invest with caution and do your research. Don't be afraid to explore these new frontiers. But remember, knowledge is power. Before investing in anything, educate yourself. Understand the risks and potential rewards. Consult with a financial advisor if you need guidance. Section 1. Unlocking financial freedom. The power of passive income. Imagine this: money flowing into your bank account, even while you sleep. That's the beauty of passive income. It's about creating income streams that work for you, even when you're not actively working. Passive income is the key to unlocking true financial freedom. It provides financial security, reduces reliance on a single income source, and allows you to pursue your passions. It's about building wealth on autopilot. Building passive income takes effort up front, but the rewards are worth it. It requires planning, strategy, and a bit of hustle. But once you set up your passive income streams, they can continue to generate income for years to come. Generating wealth while you sleep. Exploring passive income streams. There are countless ways to generate passive income. One popular method is rental income. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady stream of cash flow, and real estate often appreciates in value over time. Another option is dividend-paying stocks. When you own dividend stocks, you receive a share of the company's profits, paid out as dividends. It's like getting paid to own a piece of a successful business. But passive income isn't limited to traditional investments. The internet offers a wealth of opportunities. Consider starting an online business, creating and selling online courses, or monetizing your blog or social media following. Diversifying your income. Building multiple streams for financial security. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your income streams is crucial for financial security. By creating multiple sources of income, you're less vulnerable to economic downturns or unexpected events. Think of your income streams as pillars supporting your financial house. The more pillars you have, the stronger and more resilient your financial foundation will be. Aim for a mix of active and passive income streams. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort. Focus on developing one stream at a time and gradually expand your portfolio. Celebrate your successes along the way, and don't be afraid to adjust your strategies as needed. Shielding your wealth risk management for financial freedom. We've talked about building wealth, but what about protecting it? That's where risk management comes in. It's like wearing a helmet when you ride a bike. You hope you never fall, but you're prepared just in case. Financial risks are everywhere. Market downturns, job loss, unexpected expenses, these can all derail your financial progress. But don't panic. With the right strategies, you can mitigate these risks and safeguard your hard-earned money. Risk management isn't about avoiding risk altogether. It's about understanding and managing it wisely. It's about taking calculated risks and protecting yourself from potential losses. Remember, financial freedom is about being in control, and that includes controlling your risks. Weathering the storm, diversification and insurance as your financial armor. One of the most effective risk management strategies is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, remember? The same applies to your investments. Spread your money across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Insurance is another crucial aspect of risk management. It's like a safety net that protects you from financial hardship in case of unexpected events. Health insurance, car insurance, home insurance, these are non-negotiable. Think of insurance as a financial umbrella. You might not need it every day, but when the storm hits, you'll be grateful you have it. Don't wait for disaster to strike before getting adequate insurance coverage. Protect yourself and your loved ones today. Planning for the unexpected. Emergency funds and financial safety nets. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. Unexpected expenses can arise at any moment, catching you off guard. That's why it's crucial to have an emergency fund, a financial cushion to fall back on during unexpected events, like job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs. This fund acts as a safety net, providing financial stability when you need it most. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This amount ensures you have enough to cover essential costs without stress. Keep this money in a separate, easily accessible account. This way, you can quickly access it in times of need without any hassle. This will provide peace of mind knowing you can weather any financial storm. Having this security allows you to focus on resolving the issue at hand. In addition to an emergency fund, consider other financial safety nets, such as disability insurance. This can be a crucial part of your financial planning. This type of insurance replaces a portion of your income if you're unable to work due to illness or injury. It ensures you can maintain your lifestyle even when facing health challenges. Don't wait until it's too late to secure your financial well-being. Start planning today to protect yourself and your loved ones from unforeseen financial hardships. Seizing your financial destiny, a recap and call to action. We've covered a lot of ground on this journey toward financial freedom. Remember, it all starts with a single step. You have the power to change your financial future starting today. Don't let this information go to waste. We talked about setting clear financial goals, creating a realistic budget, and exploring different investment options. You've learned about the power of passive income and the importance of protecting your wealth through risk management. Now is the time to put this knowledge into action. Take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Open a savings account, make an investment, or start exploring passive income ideas. The key is to start. The time is now. Igniting your journey to financial freedom in 2025. 2025 may seem far away, but it's closer than you think. Time flies, and before you know it, the future is here. The time to act is now. Every small step you take today will lead to significant progress tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect time, because it will never come. The perfect time is a myth. Start where you are. Start small, be consistent, and watch your efforts compound over time. Even the smallest contributions can grow into substantial savings. Imagine yourself in 2025, free from financial worries, pursuing your passions, and living life on your own terms. Picture the freedom and joy that comes with financial independence. That's the power of taking control of your finances today. It's about making informed decisions and planning ahead. It's about creating a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Your financial health impacts not just you, but those you care about. Remember, Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of learning and growing. There will be challenges along the way, but don't get discouraged. Mistakes are part of the journey. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Stay focused on your goals, seek guidance when needed, and celebrate your successes. Every milestone is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Embrace the journey, celebrating milestones and embracing abundance. As you embark on this journey, remember to enjoy the ride. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small. Acknowledge your progress and give yourself credit for taking control of your finances. Financial freedom is about more than just money. It's about having the freedom to live a life aligned with your values. It's about experiencing true abundance in all areas of your life, financial, emotional, and spiritual. So, go forth and create the financial future you deserve. Embrace the journey, stay committed to your goals, and never stop learning and growing. The power to achieve financial freedom is in your hands.